The way OpenCorp helped us get to the position that we're in is they kind of sat shoulder to shoulder with us, and they took us through the journey of what each of these properties looked like in terms of why they were the best property for us, not just in terms of at an investment level, but why it specifically suited our personal situation. We were quite junior in our careers, and we were married for a couple of years, and we thought it was time to think about what our future looked like, to set up the next 10 years. The purpose of that was just to give us choice to either retire, choice to travel, just choice to do whatever we wanted in life. We weren't necessarily sure what that looked like, but we knew we had to set it up early.
They're really approachable, really knowledgeable, and they really gave us all the information that we needed to make informed decisions and make us feel like we had the information that we needed so that we could progress, and there really wasn't anything that you could ask them that they didn't know the answer to. The OpenCorp offering doesn't stop at just building the house and getting tenants in. They take care of the tenants process, if there's any issues there, and all the way through, and they really keep you informed and up to date as to what's going on throughout the entire build process and getting the papers signed, and all the way through to keeping it tenanted throughout its life cycle. So for us as people that are quite busy in our work and really don't have much time, it's really helped for us to build our future whilst staying informed and having everything essentially done for us throughout the entire process, and really gives us that peace of mind that it's getting done, and we're also taking care of ourselves at the same time.
OpenCorp's been really good at giving us or making sure we continue to build our property portfolio, not necessarily by forcing anything on us, but actually at the right times, dependent on our personal situations, opening the doors to what's actually available for us. And because of that, it's just been an easy decision to keep moving forward, and property after property we continue to see positive results, and as a result we're sitting pretty with 5 in 10 years, so we're pleased.
What's left for us is to really now look at what we want. So we've secured our future, we've secured our 5 in 10 years, but now it's where do we want to be? Where do we want to end up? And that's the 5 properties allow us to have that flexibility to be able to make that decision and decide where we want to be.
I'm quite proud of what we've achieved, because actually, there's 2 ways to look at it. The first is you look at the scale of what we've done in this period of time, and it's actually really impressive. But in reality, it actually hasn't impacted our ability to just live the same life that we were going to live, whether we took this journey or not. And OpenCorp obviously played a big role in that, because they showed us that actually, even at a weekly level, you're barely seeing any difference to your cash flow. Yet we fast forward 10 years and we've got five properties with them, and they're all performing really strongly. So it's given us the choice to look at what we want, and because we did that at a time where we necessarily didn't have a family, and having children wasn't right at the forefront of our goals. The fact that we're looking at that now, it actually gives us peace of mind that we can build a family in the area that we want to live in, with the right schools around, for us to just be able to enjoy life raising a family. And we wouldn't have been able to do that without the setup that OpenCorp has given us.